My name is Sadie, and in this presentation, I'll be evaluating the expectancy violations theory through the movie Meet the Fockers. Judy Bergen came up with the expectancy violations theory in 1978. She graduated from West Virginia University with a doctorate in communication and educational psychology. Judy states there is a correlation between nonverbal cues and message creation. Space is also a vital component of the theory. Here I'll show you a clip from Meet the Fockers, then I will analyze the conflict using the theory.
Trial or two in his day.
Oh, he's really good as a trial lawyer.
The regular Clarence Darrow.
Oh, sure, I was just the primary breadwinner and you didn't have a job.
Oh, honey, come on, you could say he had the hardest job.
No, he's just kidding. Of course. Yes. Why don't we just jump?
In one family, for instance, standing very close to one another is a family norm. And yet this norm is not shared in other families. Interesting scenarios occur in conversations between individuals with different norms. So a cultural expectation Jack clearly holds is the role a man should play in the family, which is the breadwinner. For Jack, this is a cultural norm. On the other hand, the Fockers don't see an issue with Bernie being a stay-at-home dad. We see a lot of diverse families in today's society. Some are more traditional, like the Burnses. Others are taking a new age approach, where women are the breadwinners within their families. Expectancy violations theory is a method that can be used to alleviate some of the communication barriers we face when meeting with families that we may hold different norms than our own, such as the Fockers and the Burnses. Expectancy violations theory would help the conversation between Jack and Bernie be a little less awkward and tense. First, I want to go over two definitions from the theory, which are pre-interactional expectations, that is the knowledge and skills someone brings to a conversation, and second, cognitive arousal, the mental awareness to an expectation violation. Jack could have used his pre-interactional expectations to refer to a general knowledge and understanding that different family norms, allowing room for open-mindedness. However, he let cognitive arousal get the best of him. In conclusion, expectancy violations theory was created by Judy Bergen, a graduate from West Virginia University with a doctorate in communication. The correlation between nonverbal cues and message creation are the fundamentals of this theory. Expectancy violations theory would have helped in the conversation between Jack and Bertie regarding a man's role in the house through Jack implementing his pre-interactional expectations. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. I hope you enjoyed it and have a better understanding of expectancy violations theory. This theory can be applied in our everyday lives to improve our communication with others.